More than 60,000 billion cells make up the human body. They are the units that form the tissues which make up our organs, like the liver, heart, and lungs. When the body needs it, our cells split into two and replace those cells that are defective or have come to the end of their lifespan. This makes it possible for our tissues to preserve their shape and their respective functions with the passage of time. Every cell is therefore programmed to multiply and die. This ordered but complex program is controlled by the center of the cell, the nucleus, which contains chromosomes containing many genes made up of DNA. Sometimes, some of these genes undergo a change. The nucleus then sends out abnormal orders and the cell goes wrong. It multiplies uncontrollably and takes on a life of its own. Each new cell produced contains the same defect. The cells proliferate chaotically and form a tumor. This process may be short, but is often long. 10 to 30 years may separate the birth of a first abnormal cell from the appearance of a tumor of about 1 cubic centimeter. The tumor forms many blood vessels in order to survive. These will supply the tumor with oxygen and nutriments, allowing it to live and grow. This is what we call the phenomenon of angiogenesis. The tumor, however, only really becomes dangerous when the cancerous cells begin to invade through the vessels into the adjacent areas and spread to the surrounding organs. These cells can then invade other parts of the body, multiply and produce new tumors. Metastasis is the term used for this spreading process. But why does a cell become cancerous? There are many factors, and they can exist to different degrees. Factors have been identified, such as hereditary genetic anomalies, exposure to some viruses, HIV, hepatitis B, C, and D, papillomavirus, Epstein-Barr virus, exposure to toxic agents, chemical products, radiation, sun, unhealthy behaviors, such as the consumption of alcohol and tobacco, or a diet too rich in fat and low in fruit and vegetables. Today, over 25 million people in the world live with cancer. 7 million die from it each year. The disease represents the leading cause of mortality for those under 65. Lung cancer is the most widespread, followed by breast cancer, colorectal, stomach, and prostate cancer. The means to combat cancer do, however, exist. These often complementary treatments are used alone or in combination according to the type of cancer and its status. The goal of the treatments is to make it possible to eliminate the tumor and cure the patient in early stage cancer, or like a chronic disease, to control its development.
Of compound opportunity is meaningless if the company you join explodes with energy today and then burns out of business tomorrow. 4Life has a long and proven track record of stable and continuous growth in more than 50 countries worldwide and growing.
In a competitive climate where most companies don't even get off the ground or only last a year or two, 4Life has demonstrated solid growth year after year. In fact, since 4Life was launched in 1998, the company has never had a single quarter of negative growth. And even during the recent recession, 4Life continued to post worldwide sales records. In times of economic challenge, 4Life is a company you can trust to be here for you today and in the future.
Much of this success is due to 4Life's mission of together building people through the science of product innovations, the success of its distributors, and the service to those in need around the world. The timing of 4Life could not be better. The company has over a decade head start on the competition in the study of the immune system. 4Life was the first to develop natural immune system products at a time when the world was just becoming aware of the benefits of a strong immune system. Couple that with current demand for natural health products, and you have a perfect storm for those seeking compound opportunity. 4Life has become the undisputed leader in the emerging field of transferceutical science, providing safe, natural, and effective supplements made by the immune system for the immune system to optimize the body's natural defenses. And with a dedicated in-house research and development department, 4Life continues to stay on the cutting edge of immune system technology. The bottom line is that 4Life has an unrivaled history of sound science and sound business, making it the ideal company for creating your compound opportunity. 4Life's flagship product, 4Life Transfer Factor, is the result of nature's best-kept secret, that immune education can be transferred from one entity to another.
It is nature's first supplement. Every newborn mammal receives transfer factors in that first meal. And in doing so, it jumpstarts the immune system of the offspring by giving it the immune experience that its mother has had.
The really good news is that transfer factor molecules and the information they contain are not species specific.
4Life Transfer Factor is a completely unique product. It's not an herb, it's not a vitamin, and it's not a mineral. Transfer factors are miracle molecules that contain information that can be transferred from one immune system to another. That means that your body can borrow the immune education it needs to better recognize, respond to, and remember potential threats. It's looking beyond nutrition to information, and it's a profound paradigm shift. 4Life Transfer Factor is the only product available that leverages this powerful paradigm.
How effective is transfer factor? Independent testing revealed that natural killer cell activity increased by as much as 437% with 4Life Transfer Factor Plus Trifactor formula. And most recently, in a preliminary scientific test, Transfer Factor Trifactor formula was shown to increase the number of protective IgA antibodies in saliva by an average of 73%. Most incredibly, an increase was seen in 100% of test participants.
Even as a medical doctor, I'm truly amazed on a daily basis what kind of incredible results transfer factor brings to people.
When I first learned about transfer factor, I went online, I did a PubMed query, and 1,800 citations came up.
I researched a lot of products before I got involved with 4Life Research, even had my own nutritional supplement company, and I can say as a medical practitioner that there's no product available that better supports overall health.
Widespread global travel and increasingly open borders allow pathogens virtually unlimited access to all corners of the world. 4Life Transfer Factor is without a doubt the right product. Look for people who will share your same excitement for the 4Life opportunity. For example, You could start by sponsoring 3 or more new enrollees directly on your first level, also known as your front line. From there, you can continue building wide and deep by enrolling new distributors below your frontline leaders, effectively creating the first few legs of your downline organization. You'll be forming the solid foundation you need to continue growing your organization and advancing in rank. As your organization starts to grow, 4Life will pay out your commissions based upon your organizational volume and rank achieved. Organizational volume is the LP generated through all of the commissionable product orders placed personally by you and for the LP of your entire downline organization. Distributors ranked at leader and above earn a personal LP payout of 25% on all their personal purchases over 100 LP. We'll talk more about the leader and other ranks in a minute. One more element you'll want to be familiar with in regard to the way you qualify for commissions each month is your 3-level volume. Your 3-level volume is composed of your personal LP and the LP of distributors and customers on your first 3 levels. This volume is especially important when qualifying for higher distributor ranks. Rapid rewards. 2 payouts come in the form of rapid rewards bonuses. Rapid rewards are paid out twice a month to ensure you receive your money as quickly as possible. They're designed to encourage you to generate new sales volume as you introduce new distributors to 4Life. Rapid rewards pay you 25% of the LP of the first order placed by every new distributor you personally enroll, as well as 25% on all of LP orders placed by your customers every month. As an example, let's look at John, who has just personally enrolled 2 new distributors, Joe and Mary. Let's say Joe ordered 100 LP and Mary ordered 200 LP. John would receive $25 for Joe's order and $50 for Mary's order, coming to a total Rapid Rewards payout of $75. Not bad, right? Next, you can receive your monthly distributor bonus. Your monthly bonus commission represents your primary distributor earnings and is calculated based upon your rank. The Life Rewards Plan has something for everyone. Whether you're simply working the business part-time to earn a little extra pocket money, or you're ready to jump in as a full-time business builder and take advantage of the virtually unlimited income potential 4Life has to offer.